Hello guys! Are you ready to improve your English?
Yes!
Let's go! Today we're going to check the present perfect with Amina, our American assistant from California. Are you ready? Let's go!
911, what's your emergency? There's a thunderstorm. It's crazy. There is lightning everywhere. And a fire has just started in my garage.
This is an example of the present perfect. It is made of the verb have in the present tense plus the past participle.
If something happens in the past and there are consequences in the present, you need to use the present perfect to talk about it.
911, what's your emergency? There is a winter storm and my car has just fallen down a hole. I can't open the door. Don't worry. We're going to send an ambulance to help you.
I hope that you have understood the present perfect. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time!